So the parents are here today for open house at Kalinga Middle School. They're here to enjoy some tacos brought to us by community schools. They're here to explore the classrooms and kind of just like build a bond with their school and our community. Events like these, like all students are welcome, not just our CMS students, so that's really nice to get all the parents to come in. I feel like it's important because it makes students feel safe and it makes parents feel safe, like, oh, this is where my student goes, and just where it's not like a casual conversation like, hey, I ran into Mrs. Lopez today and she said hi and asked how you were doing. I think it really like kind of gets us out of school mode and just more like community mode, staff mode, parent mode, like more friendlier environment.
When the parents come to open house, for a lot of us teachers, we jump on this opportunity because a lot of time this might be the one or maybe two times we actually get to talk to some of these people. The face-to-face connection, when you see me speaking to you and I say, hey, listen, I wanted to let you know that unfortunately, your kid's really falling behind with the reading. That sounds a lot more gentle than your kid is behind. They must catch up. Like that's just how text tends to come across. We never had turnout like this in years past. So I think the combination of not only the open house, but let's be honest, food is always a big thing. So if there's food here, right? But we have vendors like Kano Boxing here, right? Or if we have something like our glow show that our art department, did in the library, anything interactive too, it's just engaging. It makes them want to come in and be a part of what's going on.
I feel like in the last couple of years, these events have gotten a lot better. They're a lot more welcoming. We have more things for the parents to do when they come here. They not just come by our classroom. We do have the food truck, the taco truck today. And who doesn't love a good chance to get some taco truck? So if that's what it takes to get them here and interacting with us, it's well worth the time and the effort. I hope that when they come into the classrooms and they get to see some of the stuff the kids have been working on, they get to see how meaningful some of this is and some of the experience that the kids are getting in our classrooms.
So there have been a lot of events this year. I've been very impressed with all of the events that have been put on, and it's just been a really nice way for parents to be able to get involved with our kids, because really at this middle school age especially, it's kind of when the disconnect starts, when they they go from being a little kid and they're growing, and we don't get to spend as much time with them. So these events are very special, and my family's loved coming out to them. Oh, I think he loves them. Yeah, he gets to see his friends. He gets to see his friends' siblings and families, and it's just a really nice way for him to get to create memories and bonds outside of the school hours with his friends that he sees every day, where it's short periods of time.
We are human beings here. I know that there's that big blue gate outside that closes at 8, and you feel like the world is kind of shut in here at school, but we are a team, we care, and if we communicate, we can make something really great happen with their students.
I would want them to take home that this is a welcoming, non-judgment-free zone, safe school for all of their students, regardless of what they've heard word of mouth. I feel like these events kind of bring everybody together, and if they have questions, here's the time to ask it for the most part. Just let them know that, hey, you're welcome to come to school for the most part at any time. Check in the office or come to an event, like if you want to see us.